Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a PDF using Word document, also encrypting the PDF without using any third-party software. So stay tuned. Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a trick that I'm exploring a lot of Office 365, and I'm seeing some new tools that is very useful for everybody. Tools that most of the time we use a third-party software to do. So this is very important to everybody knows, because this is going to save you a lot of time and money. So if you haven't seen my other videos, because this is a second video of a series of finding features of Office 365, and this scenario is a Word features. So you can check my other videos regarding how to convert a PDF to a Word document using Word. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word document to PDF and also encrypt the PDF. In the past, in the older version, you can convert it to a PDF, but in this update, now you can encrypt your PDF. When I mention encrypting, is to be a password protected PDF. So let us start. Also, if you like the content of this video, you can subscribe to my channel. My channel is everything to do with, like, small ideas can make difference in your work area or personally if you're a student. So this is my channel, is simple ideas for you. So here in this channel, I'm into talking to people and submitting ideas, so that way we can explore together. Also, I can submit, based on my experience as an IT manager, some good tips that it will simplify your work. So let us start. So let me open. The first thing is that I need to have a Word document. So in this scenario, I have a certification that I created for myself. That this, I want it to be a PDF, but it's a protected PDF. So any document that you already have made in Word documents, the first thing that you need to go is to go File, Export, Create PDF, or XPS. XPS is a similar format as PDF, but it's Microsoft based. It's a product of Microsoft. PDF is his own company, but the standard document, portable document file, that is PDF, that is what PDF stands for, is I will recommend using PDF, because you will not have any compatible issue in the future. So let us create the document. So this is the same format that you are used to. So, and now it's a little bit simpler, because in the past the steps were different. So let us do this first, so that way I can show you how you did it in the past. So when I press now options, I can select encrypt the document with a password. And now I can put the password. Let's put the password and press OK. Oh, so it's asking me a more complex password. That is good, because now you cannot use password as a password. So now it has the password saved. So let us publish. So now if I go to my documents folder and I search This is the PDF that I created. And it's asking me for the password. So I try a different password, and I have my certificate. So in the past, if you have an older version of Word, you need to do File, Save As, choose the folder that you're going to save, and here you do the drop down and select the PDF, put the name, and click the options. So if you notice here now, it doesn't have the option of encrypting the file. You can put a tag or save the thumbnail, so on, but you don't have, well, let me see, save options. No. So in this scenario, you don't have, in the old version, how to convert to PDF, you don't have the option to encrypt. So you need to export it. You do this scenario. So if you like the content of this video, please subscribe, and please hit me in my social media. I'm very active. If you have any question, you can talk to me in anything that related to whatever you want to talk. I'm here as your friend, and I would like to have a conversation in any topic that I can help you with it. So thank you for your time. If you like the video, please hit the like icon. Also, if you like the content of this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that way you would not miss any video that I submitted. So thank you.